You know, we started coming to the managed care meeting 5 years ago, and the difference has been pretty significant for our organization. We knew that by sharing information with other opticians and other billers, that we would increase our business, and that's really what we were looking for, to be more efficient. That helps with payroll costs, it helps with a lot of other things, but to also increase our sales. And I will tell you, just like this year, the opportunity to get this list of other people in other organizations that build the same companies. So if you have a question about a Specterra or a Davis or a VSP, whatever, you know who to talk to in another company. You're not talking to the insurance company for advice, you're talking to another biller for advice. And that means a great deal to someone that's buried in claims day in and day out. So it has been significant, and I think anyone that attends, if they didn't walk away with 3 or 4 things to start working on tomorrow, I would be stunned.